If you're distributing leads manually every time a new one comes in, then this video is for you. Because when your assignment process is manual, you'll always face the same problems. Lead may get assigned to the wrong rep, leads may not be assigned at all because your team forgets to update Excel. And as a result, you'll lose high intent leads just because of a manual problem. Hello folks, I'm Zed and today I'll show you how telecrm can solve your manual lead assignment problem. In the last video, we saw how telecrm can capture leads from literally all your sources. But once the leads are captured, you can automatically assign them to your sales reps based on any parameter and ratio you define. Here's how it works. Let's say you want to assign leads based on specific industries. All you have to do is create a custom field called industry and then add the values you want. Real estate, education, finance, healthcare, manufacturing, etc. So every time a new lead enters that has real estate selected, so that lead will automatically be assigned to the sales reps that handle real estate leads. The same logic applies to all the other industries as well. And not just industry, you can redefine this logic based on any parameter you want. So ticket size, lead assignment based on region, lead source, sales team size, priority, etc. But that's not all. The ratio of lead distribution is completely in your hands. Let's say you generate 10 high ticket leads in a month and you have a specific rep that is better at closing those deals. So you can allocate a higher percentage of leads to that specific rep and give fewer to others. All you have to do is select all the assignees, define a ratio and you're done. From that point on, every new lead will be assigned in the exact ratio you've defined. And all of this is done via workflows in telecrm. Once you set them up, the distribution happens instantly without anyone having to lift a finger. So if you're generating multiple leads from various sources, you can set workflows in telecrm to ensure that the right lead is assigned to the right sales rep in a manner that you define. With telecrm, you won't have to worry about manual processes anymore. Everything is automated. Lead capture, lead assignment, lead distribution, and even lead nurturing. And that is what we'll discuss in the following videos. So make sure to give us a thumbs up if you like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos on lead management, automation, WhatsApp API. And if you're interested in trying telecrm out, all you have to do is go to the link in the description, book a free demo and experience firsthand how telecrm can work for you. Until next time, bye-bye.